In the fast-paced world of beverage production, efficiency is key. But for one multinational producer, integrating a new PET blow molding machine into their existing manufacturing execution system presented a significant challenge. Manual data recording and limited access to machine controls led to bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and the prospect of high integration costs to modify their existing setup. They needed a solution that could seamlessly connect the new machine without disrupting production or requiring expensive reconfigurations. That's where Zentinel MDS powered by Perinet came in, offering a fully integrated solution with minimal interference. The system utilizes smart adapters, ZentNode CTs, based on Perinet's Perinet GPIO adapters to capture crucial production data like incoming PET blanks, outgoing bottles, and traffic jam signals. ZentNode IO, based on Perinet's Perinet GPIO adapters, read vital machine status messages, easily connecting to existing indicators like status lights. All this data is processed and stored locally on a Zentinel server, powered by the robust Perinet modular edge computer. This server hosts an SQL database, directly accessible by the existing MES system. Communication throughout the system is handled by a simple, single-pair Ethernet infrastructure by Perinet, secured with MTLS certificates for maximum data protection. The result? Significant cost savings by avoiding machine rebuilds, minimized downtime thanks to non-intrusive installation, and enhanced security, enabling seamless, secure, and cost-effective industrial data integration. Perinet's solutions are not only limited to beverage production, but could be used in production lines of various industries such as pharmaceutical industry, automotive industry, food production. Wherever efficiency matters, Zentinel's solution based on Perinet delivers safely, flexibly, and cost-effectively.